All right, so I used Q Developer for the command line to vibe code an app that prints on a receipt printer, and it takes the latest headlines or the top movie reviews or top book reviews from the New York Times API and prints it out in a little format like on a receipt type paper. So I guess a thermal printer. So this entire app was vibe coded with Amazon Q. I put it in commands. I tell it I want it to print out a receipt. It's going ahead and do it. I have never used a thermal printer before. It figured out how to do it. I had never connected to the New York Times API before. Well, I guess I did once at a hackathon, but it completely knew how to stitch together. And then this one's pretty fun. I can print out anything historical. So give me the top headlines from my birth year and my birth month, and right away it's pulling out the top 5 headlines from the year I was born. And so I thought that was pretty fun. And again, I mean, it was a proof of concept, but really in just hacking on this, what I loved was just thinking of the idea and stitching it together. I was working back and forth with Q Developer as just like another coding partner at a hackathon, thinking through it, iterating. This one is printing out the latest book reviews from the New York Times book reviews. So, yep, goes ahead and does that. Now, again, I can keep formatting it and changing it up, but I think for me, it's that spark of excitement to take a piece of hardware that was just lying around, like an old receipt printer, and an API for a news publication I really love. And I just wanted an excuse to build, and I just loved that I was able to do that. This one is just searching for any articles that talk about Amazon Q. And again, like within a millisecond, it's printing out the top 5 headlines in this like billet format. So I also coded it to do some scheduled views every morning, but I just wanted to share this. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks.